Hey, what is up, guys? John here at Tech Mogul. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Viziuuy wireless solar-powered security camera. So guys, before we get started, just a heads up, Viziuuy did send these out to me to try out. So big shout out to them for doing that. It's very much appreciated. But as always, this is an independent review. They had no part in the making of this video. So guys, in this video, we're going to unbox this. We're going to see what we get inside the box. We're going to set it up. We're going to try it out, and I'll let you know what I think of it. All right, guys, this is the box it comes in. We've got 2K resolution on the top left. We've got the Viziuuy camera front and center. This is the Zv-E10 model. It says it's all-in-one, powerful on its own. We've got 2K wireless solar security camera. Got some branding right there, Viziuuy. I think it's pronounced Viziuuy or Viziuuy. I'm going to pronounce it Viziuuy. And here we've got what should be included in the box. We've got the camera. We've got the installation screw pack. We've got some stickers, a warning sticker, a user manual, Type-C charging cable. And on this side, we've got two-way audio. We've got family sharing, colored night vision, advanced AI human detection, customized activity zones, and it says it works with the Alexa Google Assistant app. And on this side, we've got some ways to contact the company if you need to. We've got a toll-free number. We've got an email for support, and they've got their own YouTube channel, which is cool. All right, so let's open this up and see what we get inside. All right, first up, we've got a sticker here, 24-hour surveillance. Very cool. We've got the user manual. Well, before we open that up, let's see what else we get in the box. So we've got, it's a little sticker to where you can place it on wherever you're going to drill into. You can use this to line up where the screws go. Very cool. And here is your USB-A to USB-C cable for charging. And here is the mounting screws. And that is it. Right. All right, guys, so here is the camera. It's made out of all plastic. We've got some Viziuuy branding on the side here. This also is a floodlight, so that is really cool. Here's your lens here for the camera. And this is a 6-watt solar panel. So hopefully this keeps it charged up, because I'm planning on setting this up to where it looks over my driveway. Right now I'm using the blink system, and that camera seems to die out the fastest because of the heavy traffic. Hopefully with this solar panel, I don't have to deal with that as much. Considering how big it is compared to like a blink system, it's pretty massive, but it's not too heavy. And we've got speaker system down here because this has a two-way audio. So if you see someone in your driveway, you can talk to them through the camera here. So we've got your USB-C port, memory card slot, and your power button right there. You got a reset button on this side. So there you have it, pretty straightforward. All right. So before you get started, you're going to need to download the Viziuuy app, and I've done that already. Let's see if we can see if it has some power first, because I know this is very similar to another product I tested out a few months back. All right, let's set this up. Set it up with my iPhone. Like add device. So there goes it. Found it. Hit connect. Searching for Wi-Fi. All right, let me set this up. All right, so it's doing its thing. It's gonna connect here, hopefully. Make sure the device is powered on. We've got a blue light right there. All right, so here we go. Add successful. So here's the camera. Hit next. Change the name to driveway. All right, so it tells me I should fully charge it before setting it up. All right, so I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna charge it up, and I will be right back. All right, guys, so I've got this camera set up. It's in my backyard. It's just a temporary setup so I can play around with the camera and see if I like it or not. All right, so this is the app right here. We'll press play. and the app should connect to the camera, and there we have it. It is connected. Hopefully that's clear. But we've got live view right now. Hopefully you guys could see that because it shows that it's charging. We've still got some sun out, so it is being powered by the solar panel. So yeah, there you have it. You can take a screenshot right there. We've got an intercom because again, this is a it's got two-way audio. You can record onto a memory card up to 128 gigabyte card. Got motion detector. We've got the floodlight if you want to turn that on. We've got a siren as well. And we've got an audio warning and strobe light, which is cool. Full color mode and an album to where, like, if you're taking pics with the camera or recorded video, it should pop up in that album. And let's see what else we got. Here we got settings. We got signal strength. Signal strength is 91%. Very cool. Electric quantity, time zone, America, Anchorage. We've got a bunch of different settings here. Time settings, sound settings, video encryption, AI, intelligent analysis, battery management, recording management, cloud storage, link it with your Alexa app, Google Home. You got a way to contact the company as well, which is always a good thing. All right, so far so good. There it is. That is a recording of the backyard. We've got your timestamp up there. So far, it's not bad. It says it's 2K, but we'll see. That looks pretty clear right there. I'm hoping to set this up to look over my driveway because, again, I've got a blink system and that battery tends to drain the fastest. Now with this solar panel, I'm hoping that the battery range is at least double, so I'm not out there every couple months swapping out batteries. I know the cold doesn't really help, and it's been super cold lately. We're at 22 degrees today. But yeah, so far so good. Everything seems to be working flawless. Very easy to set up. Picture quality is clear. So this thing is coming in at right around $59 on Amazon currently. I can't say for sure if I want to recommend it or not, because there's some other options out there that are very similar to this, but are coming in at a lower price point. But we'll see. I want to test this out, and I'll do a more of a long-term review in the future to see if the battery does last me longer than, say, the Blink camera system. And once we figure that out, if it can beat my Arlo, it's lasting like 6 months. If it can last longer than that, then I'm gonna say this is a positive. But so far, setup wise, app wise, super simple to set up. So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. It's very much appreciated. And as always, I'm John at TEMU Go. I'll see you in the next one.